So we're finding arc measure and arc length, two different things, two different sets, but we'll do one of each. So if we have the radius of a circle is 2 miles, what's the length of a 135-degree arc? So they give us a formula where L is the arc length, M is the measure of arc in degrees, and C is the circumference. And the circumference is 2 pi r from the formula chart. Now, applying the formula here, they gave us that the radius is 2. What is the length? So what is L of an arc with a 105-degree arc? Okay, so we're looking for L. M is given 135. And the circumference, I know that it's 2 pi r, so I'm going to substitute 2 for r right there. So 2 pi r, and r is 2. And you're going to leave that in terms of pi, so you don't plug in pi in the calculator. over 360 times 2 times 2, or just 4. Either way, the calculator will bring a pretty good looking answer right there. So you got 3 over 2, and don't forget that the pi you didn't plug in. So 3 over 2 pi. You could have done 2 times 2, same answer. The other one, we're looking for the measure of arc ST. So we're looking for this guy right here. And we know if we were to add all of them up, they add up to 360. This guy's already 120, this guy's already 135. What number do I need to put here that will give me 360? So I know that if I have the measure of arc TU plus the measure of arc SU plus the measure of arc ST, they all add up to 360. TU right there is 135. SU right there 120 plus whatever I can get right here for ST, they add up to 360. Now it's simple algebra. One combine like terms, 135 and 120, I have 255. Now I'm isolating this one, so take away 255 from both sides. Degrees. Now I have one more example. So the diameter of a circle is 8 centimeters. Diameter goes from side to side, 2 points on the circumference. So what is the angle measure of an arc that is 3 pi long? So this arc is 3 pi centimeters long. So what is the angle measure? So we know, for example, from example 1, that the formula is m over 360 times c, and c is the circumference. So now they gave us L. So plug in 3 pi for L. I'm looking for m. I don't have m. If the circumference is 2 pi r. And if the diameter here is 8, r is 4. Because the radius is half of the diameter. So 2 pi r is 4. So you have two ways to get out of this one. Pi and pi, they go away. I can multiply both sides by 36. 360, sorry. And here 2 times 4 is 8. Now I divide both sides by 8. And you have 135 degrees.